Hey Lash Babes, ready to create some classic lash magic? Today we're walking you through an easy step-by-step guide to achieving the perfect classic lash set. Think of it as your lash fairy godmother moment. We'll cover everything from prepping those peepers to placing each lash with precision and love. So grab your tweezers, your favorite lash tray, and let's turn those natural lashes into a stunning, timeless masterpiece. Let's get you lashing. If you want free beauty business sales and marketing training, you'll definitely want to join me live in our free beauty biz sales and marketing webinar in the description link below. And don't forget to show us some love at Cosmopolitan Academy and give us a subscribe and like this video. My name is Alana Benman, founder of Cosmopolitan Academy. You may have seen me on the TV show Legacy Makers or in one of the many publications globally. Don't forget, it's your subscribe that makes it possible for us to keep giving you this free content. So thank you for your subscribe, and as our appreciation for your view, don't forget to join us in our free webinar that dives deep into conquering conversions online in the beauty industry very specifically. We'll see you in our next video where we chat about mega volume lash applications perfected.